Hey everybody, I wanted to show you how to download Screencastify so you can start making some quick, easy videos. All I've done is gone to Google and I went to Screencastify Chrome, and the first thing that comes up is the Chrome Web Store. So I'm going to go ahead and click there. And the extension for Screencastify should pop right up. And all I'm going to do is add it to Chrome. And if you aren't familiar with the extensions, that's these little things up here that you can use. So I'm going to add the extension. Alright, as soon as it's done, it will automatically pop up here, and you can see the little logo. This has been added to Chrome, and I'm good to go. So now all I'm going to do is go ahead and click on that, and it's going to bring me in to setup. And the setup is super simple. I would sign in with your school email address if that's where you want the videos to save to. You can save them to your desktop, or you can save them to your drive, but since we have unlimited storage on the drive, that always makes sense to me. You want to give it the power to do camera, microphone, drawing, and annotations, because then you'll be able to draw on it. Yes. Alright, and once that's done, you can go over and click on the icon. And you'll be able to choose how you want to record. It says here that you have 50 videos that you can do this month. If you're doing more than 50 videos, you better just buy Camtasia. But for me, I usually use the desktop, and this will record everything on the screen. I have my microphone on. If you had a special microphone, you'd be able to choose that one. The webcam, I always enable it because my students like it better when they can see me. The nice thing is you can choose where it's going to be showing that. So maybe I want to show in the top left corner. So wherever you choose, make sure you're not going to have words up there so you don't cover those up. There's even more options you can do. You can only do the webcam if you want, just record you. You can also do a specific tab. So if I want to show just a Google Slide tab, I can have it only on there. So if I open anything else up in another tab, it won't mess that up. But still make sure you have microphone and webcam on, and boom, you can start recording.
3, 2,
and it gives me a little
1.
countdown, so I know that's going to record. And right now we are recording, and as soon as I am done, then I can click back over here, and I can pause or I can stop my recording. That's it.